What if I told you there's a mysterious side of Kashmir that no one has ever heard of? Behind the breathtaking beauty of this valley lie secrets that will shatter your understanding of history, myths, and reality. Today, we uncover five of the most baffling unsolved mysteries hidden deep within the heart of Kashmir. Number 1. Burzahom, the village with a forgotten language. Burzahom looks like a quiet village until you dig deeper. In 1935, archaeologists uncovered Neolithic remains here, dating back 5,000 years. But what shook everyone was symbols carved into stones that no one can decode to this day. And some showed two suns in the sky. Was it a celestial event, or comet, or something beyond understanding? Until we decode their symbols, Burzahom remains a prehistoric riddle carved in stone. Number 2. The floating stones of Manaspal Lake. Imagine stones floating on water like lotus petals. That's the tale from Manaspal Lake, where elders claim they saw stones that defied gravity, while some think they were pumice rocks. There's no volcanic history in Kashmir to back it. Scientists have tried to replicate the mystery, but no luck. Whether it's myths, illusion, or lost ancient tech, the mystery of Manaspal's levitating stones still has no solid answers. Number 3. Rosabal, the tomb that could change everything tucked inside. Srinagar's Rosabal is modest tomb with a massive claim. Some say Jesus Christ is buried there. Known locally as the resting place of Yusuf, and popular theories suggest Jesus survived crucifixion and lived in Kashmir till his death. Mainstream scholars deny it, but carved footprints inside show crucifixion-like wounds. Is it just myth, misinterpretation, or a lost chapter of religious history? Either way, Rosabal remains one of Kashmir's most haunting enigmas. Number 4. Magnetic Hill, gravity's greatest illusion. Just outside Leh lies Magnetic Hill, where cars appear to roll uphill and engine turns off. Scientists call it an optical illusion, but some pilots report interference and locals believe it is a sacred energy. Number 5. The vanished silver forest of Lolab. In the heart of Lolab Valley, stories speak of Rawat Budar, a silver forest with glowing leaves. Once mentioned by travelers and ancient texts, it suddenly vanished without a trace. Today, locals point to a barren land animals avoid, where even satellite images show unnatural dryness. Was it cursed, burned, or swallowed by the earth? No one knows, but the forest disappearance remains one of Kashmir's eeriest unsolved cases.